No one warned you that success would feel this lonely. No applause, no backup, no one checking in to see if you're okay. Just silence and pressure. That's exactly where real power is born. When you have zero support, zero guidance, and zero safety net, you're forced to face the world the way it truly is. And this is where Machiavelli would smile, because he understood something most people never will. The world does not reward the hopeful, it rewards the prepared. Imagine standing alone while everyone else has mentors, connections, family backing, or luck on their side. You feel invisible. But invisibility is not weakness. It's freedom. When no one expects anything from you, you are no longer bound by their rules. Machiavelli believed that those who rise without support learn faster, adapt harder, and become dangerous in the most strategic way. You stop waiting for permission. You stop seeking approval. You start observing. Here is the brutal truth. People don't help those who look like they need help. They help those who look like they're already winning. That's why relying on sympathy is a losing strategy. Machiavelli taught that perception shapes reality. When you have nothing, your job is not to complain about it, but to use it as camouflage. Learn in silence. Fail quietly. Improve without announcing it. Most people quit at this stage. Not because they're incapable, but because the loneliness breaks them. They confuse isolation with rejection. But Machiavelli would say this is the test. Can you move forward without validation? Can you build discipline when no one is watching? Because power is not built in crowds, it's built in solitude. Before we go deeper, if this mindset already resonates with you, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. Content like this isn't for everyone, but if you're serious about mastering yourself and the game of life, you'll want to stay connected. When you have no support, you learn to rely on observation instead of emotion. You start studying people, their patterns, their weaknesses, their motivations. Machiavelli believed that understanding human nature is more valuable than talent. Talent without strategy collapses. Strategy without support survives. You also stop wasting energy trying to be liked. Approval is expensive, and when you're broke, emotionally or materially, you can't afford it. Instead, you become useful, quietly competent. Someone who solves problems without drama. People don't notice potential, they notice results. Another advantage of zero support is this. No one can betray you if no one is inside your circle. Machiavelli warned that false allies are more dangerous than open enemies. When you rise alone, you build selective trust. You don't overshare. You don't reveal your next move. You understand that silence is a weapon. Every setback becomes a lesson because there's no one to rescue you. This sharpens your instincts. You learn what works and what doesn't quickly, because failure is personal now. Pain becomes data. Struggle becomes training. By the time others receive help, you've already developed resilience, patience, and strategic thinking. You're not louder than them. You're not flashier, but you're harder to break. And this is where the shift begins, because once you survive without support, you stop needing it at all. When you've learned to survive alone, something dangerous happens. You gain leverage. Machiavelli believed that independence is the foundation of power. The moment you no longer need approval, help, or validation, people start treating you differently. Not because you asked for respect, but because you no longer beg for it. Those who succeed with zero support understand timing. They don't rush, they wait. They build quietly while others seek attention. Machiavelli warned against revealing strength too early. If people know your full capacity, they prepare against you. If they underestimate you, they leave openings. You begin to understand that morality and survival are not the same thing. This doesn't mean becoming evil, it means becoming realistic. The world is not fair, and pretending it is only makes you weak. Machiavelli taught that adaptability matters more than purity. You adjust without losing your core objective. Another truth, once you rise, people will rewrite history. Suddenly, they always believed in you. they'll claim they helped. Let them. Power doesn't need credit. Power needs control. And control comes from results, not recognition. The strongest people don't announce their struggles. They don't broadcast their plans. They move with calm precision. They understand that emotions are tools, not rulers. Anger can motivate. Fear can sharpen focus. But neither should drive the wheel. If you're still watching this, it means something inside you refuses to stay average. That's rare. And that is why I want you to comment below. Tell me one area of your life where you feel you have no support. Not for sympathy, but for clarity. Writing it down is the first step toward control. Machiavelli believed that fortune favors those who are bold, but only after they are prepared. When opportunity finally arrives, it comes fast and without warning. Those who relied on others hesitate. Those who built alone act instantly. Success without support also teaches humility. You know how fragile progress is. You don't waste it. You protect it. You don't chase unnecessary battles. You choose wars that matter. And here's the final lesson. The world doesn't reward effort, it rewards outcomes. You may work harder than everyone else and still receive nothing until the moment you win. Then everything changes, doors open, voices soften, respect appears. But by then, you're no longer impressed. Because the real victory wasn't fame, money, or status. It was becoming someone who didn't break when no one cared. If this message challenged the way you see success, make sure you share this video with someone who's struggling in silence. You never know who needs to hear this right now. And don't forget to comment. Your story might inspire someone else to keep going. In the end, succeeding with zero support doesn't make you lucky. It makes you unstoppable.